How to never stall the clutch. A lot of students find this a little bit difficult, but I'm going to help you. Step number one, apply your foot onto the clutch all the way down. Count to 3. 1, 2, and 3. So when you get to the third one, you are literally at the biting point. So you're halfway off the clutch. And then you come off slowly and you will see the vehicle moving. The second thing that you can use, which you also will never stall the vehicle, is have your foot onto the clutch and the accelerator. Now, come off the clutch up to 3 halfway and accelerate slowly, slightly. Now, then you will realize that the vehicle starts moving, and when you get to that position point, then you can come off the clutch completely and you can continue accelerating. Now, the reason why a lot of students stall the vehicle is they come off the clutch quickly. Now, if you come off the clutch quickly, the car will automatically stall. The second problem is a lot of students stall is when they supposed to select gear number 1, they literally will be selecting gear number 3. So 3 and 1, they literally close to each other's. You have to be careful what gear you're selecting. If you're selecting gear 3, the car is unable to use and to go forward with the gear number 3. It becomes too much. So you have to apply gear number 1. So practice makes it perfect. I will advise all of you to practice with your instructor and try to go to a quiet road. Thank you.